Hello everyone! Welcome to another tutorial. Today we are setting up the Comet Pro KVM over Wi-Fi. Subscribe to our YouTube for more tutorials and make sure you click the bell icon to get notified. For clarity, the controlling device will be referred to as Device A and the device being controlled as Device B. First step, we have to connect Device B to the Comet Pro. Power on the Comet Pro. Next, plug in the HD cable into the HD-in port. Attach the other end to your Device B. This next step is optional. You can use a second HD cable, plugging it into the HD out port on your device, and then attaching the other end to your monitor. This port allows your computer's display to be seen on both a local monitor and a remote display. You likely won't need to use it if you don't require a local display at the device's location, or if you're managing a headless device. Using another USB-C cable, plug it into the keyboard and mouse port. Attach the other end to Device B. Now it's time to connect the Comet Pro to a Wi-Fi network. Using the touch screen, click on Wi-Fi, then connect Wi-Fi. Give the Comet Pro a few moments to scan local Wi-Fi networks in your area. Once populated, scroll and click on the Wi-Fi network you want to join. Enter your password and click the green check mark. Now you should be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, it's time to access the Comet Pro. There are many ways to gain access. This includes connection via your local LAN, Tailscale account, our web cloud service at GLKVM.com, or via the GLKVM app. Using the cloud service method is the most convenient method to control from your Device A. Open a web browser and proceed to GLKVM.com. Sign up using your Google account or create a new GLiNet account. Login. Click on Add Device and bind with code. To obtain code, enable cloud service on the Comet Pro settings through the touch screen. Then generate dynamic binding code. Now you have successfully binded your Comet Pro. You can now remotely control your device from anywhere with internet access. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.